Hello, I'm Natasha Ho. Welcome to The Dish. I was in the grocery store a few weeks back and I was checking out, and a woman that was standing in the line behind me noticed my groceries going through the checkout line, and she asked me about the stuff that I was checking out with. I had like some parsnips and turnips and things like that, and she said, I've always noticed those in the produce section and never knew what they were or how to cook them. What are those things? So if you have ever been in the produce section wondering what those vegetables were, this video is for you. I want to talk to you about what they are and the best ways to use them. So some of the things you might see in the produce section in that root vegetable family would be things like parsnips, things like turnips, rutabaga, sweet potatoes, regular potatoes, carrots, celery root. All of those are root vegetables and they're in the same family as your potatoes. So the easy shortcut way you can think about this is anything that you would do where a potato would work, all of these root vegetables will also work really, really well for the similar applications. So one of my favorite things to do is, like, instead of making mashed potatoes, I might make a mash with things like turnips or with a celery root. You can also turn them into French fries. You can roast them the way you'd make roasted potatoes. Anywhere where a potato, anything a potato can do, all of these root vegetables can also do. And so that's a really easy way to consider how you would work with them so they don't feel so overwhelming to work with a brand new vegetable. You can use those techniques that you already know and apply them to this vegetable, and it makes it way, way easy for you to integrate them into your regular routine of dishes that you make. And it's a nice departure from cooking the same thing over and over again, because you can get a new taste and a new spin on a well-loved dish by integrating a new dish and tweaking it with one of these other root vegetables. That's it for this time. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next week.